Hi everyone, it's Renee. I have a small haul today. Well, kind of a big haul. First, I want to start with my Temu die. I had somehow misplaced that and I did it up. My dash hound is black and white, so I did that up. And then I was watching Scrappy Nerd UK and she showed these. They're little plastic adhesive pockets that you can attach to your scrapbook layout and attach your journaling card right to it. So I thought that was pretty neat. And then I'll use the back of this here. I got a new stencil. I love stencils, and I'm starting to get into mixed media. By the way, I did order or went in and got a new set of 40 adhesive foam sheets because I need those. And then we've been having an abundance of storms this summer here in North Dakota, and we had a supercell with tornadoes in the southern part of the state, and they had 9 tornadoes in one night. I was like, yikes. And then Temu sent me this by mistake. It's a bunch of mushrooms, and I believe they're acrylic. I didn't order them, but they sent them to me, and I texted them, and they credited my account for those. And then my grandchildren are into soccer, so I got some soccer ephemera. And then these were just too cute. I don't know how I'm going to use them, but they're just too cute. I had to get them. And then I went to that Restore the other night, or yesterday, and I found quite a few items. I found a scrapbook, and it's an 8.5 by 11. I don't usually do that size, but I figured I can find a way to use it. And then close to my heart, I thought it was a stamp and die set, but it's just a stamp set. And I got that one. Set this out to the side here. And then by Presto, they're rub-on letters and numbers. And I thought this was just perfect. They're small. I'm hoping they work out perfect for me. And then, like I said just a few minutes ago, my wiener dog, or dash hound, looks like a Dalmatian. She's got black spots all over her, so I got that. I can use that for her. And then I found a brand new Sizzix die of a leaf, and it's just a small steel rule. And then I thought this was full of them, but it wasn't. It's just one set. You can't even, I don't know how I'm going to use them, but they're photo corners. And then I got a Cuttlebug birthday embossing folders and a Spellbinders. What is this one called? Possibilities. And I got that. And then I found a wire basket that I thought would work perfect in my craft room, so I grabbed that. And then my page kit, or my craft club kit came today. I set this on the floor and I took it out of the packaging. Where's the paperwork on it? Oh, I'm not finding the paperwork. Oh, here it is. It fell on the... No, that is not it. All right. Let's see what the name of the kit is. It's called Miss Kate Celebration. Looks like a birthday kit. Balloons on the cover page. Cut-aparts of all sizes. Stripes, I like that. Whoops. Let's set this over here. More cut-aparts. And balloons. More cut-aparts of different sizes. More balloons, definitely birthday. More cut-aparts. And birthday cakes. Colored dots. More cut-aparts. Looks like birthday candles. And this page has banners, balloons, and cake and candles. Birthday candle, or birthday balloons, more balloons, more balloons. Oh, just like the other page, more banners and stuff. More balloons. And hats and streamers. And looks like triangles, circles, and squares. More balloons, definitely birthday. Birthday cakes, colored dots, streamers, more birthday candles, and it's only a half a sheet of cut aparts or stickers this time. That's okay. And this kit is called, it's called the Celebration Collection by Miss Kate. And for the ephemera, we have by Rosie's. Looks like 25 frames. I like that. Also by Rosie's, 104 cut apart or ephemera pieces. And by Chamel, 48 pieces of stickers. We're going to a hot air balloon show soon. That'll work perfect for that. Oh, I like this. All right, that is it. I know it doesn't, I haven't done a video for scrapbooking in a while, but I am working on a layout or an album for my daughter and her family for Christmas. So I'll bring you along for that soon. And thank you to the new subscribers I've gotten. I appreciate that. Have a great day or night wherever you're at. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.